So in my quilting world, I use wadding a lot, and it's often too big for the actual quilt I want. So then when I finish my quilt project, I'm left with all these little bits. Some of them are 5 or 6 inches wide. Some of them are kind of like 20 inches wide. So what I like to do is I use the triple stitch as a great way of joining it because it's flat. But I gather it was actually designed for elastic.
It is, yes, because you've got the triple stitch again, the same as the triple straight stitch. It's quite elastic, so it goes with the fabric, as I say. So it puts that stretch into the wadding, because we manhandle wadding a lot when we're using it, don't we? And it's just a really great feature. So it's on the utility stitches, and like you, I use the utility stitches for lots of different things. So it's stitch number 10. You can select that on the screen, and I will make it as wide as I can.
Yeah,
and
I think at home I've done that.
In this case, and you can see it altering on the screen, it will go up to 7mm wide, not the full 9mm of the machine.
Right.
So it's 7mm wide, and that's great. Just make sure you've got flat edges, and it just joins together.
And you had to make sure you got a big zigzag space here.
I leave the A-foot on, and again, the centre point of there is the centre point where it's stitching, so just make sure that you feed it through and don't scrunch the edges up.
Nice straight edges to the wadding, I must say.
Yes, you can overlap and trim them, and then they go together perfectly. And you've got a usable piece of wadding again.
Absolutely. Good to be thrifty, huh?
It certainly is.
Yeah, so you can use up all your old bits of fabric and wadding too.